guys, it's Kelly. Welcome back to the channel of Chilled Relax Plant content where we talk about our plants. We try to learn the best way to grow our plants so that they grow how we want them to grow. If you're a plant lover, like I'm a plant lover, hit the subscribe button. Let's be plant friends. So, I've been in the process of repotting a lot of the newer plants that I got so that when I move at the end of the semester after I graduate, things will be smoother. So I have, I think, like 7 more plants to do. So we're gonna do it. We're gonna pot up these plants and be ready to go. So grab a snack, grab a drink, and come relax and plant with me. Alrighty. these are the plants we repotted today. The begonia watch glass, the begonia benigno, the variegated string of buttons, the ripsalis terrace, the red edge string of buttons, and the shark tooth epiphyllum. This is the mess of peat moss from the begonias. It was weird. One begonia, I think it was this guy, the watch glass, had no plugs, right? Which is good. And then the benigno, half of it had plugs and the other half didn't. So that was weird, but... Oh, and we also potted up the peperomia green scandens into this cute little pot. That was real easy. It literally just transferred over. So it worked out perfectly. Let me know which plant is your favorite, which pot is your favorite. And yeah, until next time, relax, plant, and peace out.